Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick the shooting methods. Now at the first place we have press volume key 2 option, so let's tap on it and we can decide to use this as take picture or record video, which is now zoom and control system volume. So let me change it to zoom now to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use these volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom now by tapping on volume keys. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.